everyone. This is Dr. August de Oliveira with Digital Enamel, here with Thomas at a company that all of us in CAD/CAM dentistry love and trust, Ivoclar. Now, Ivoclar has great millable materials, but they have now announced something really exciting, a 3D printer, the Proga Print PR5. So Thomas, tell us about this printer.
Yeah, so this printer is a brand new printer developed and produced by Ivoclar itself, and the main feature of the printer is its phenomenal precision.
That's what a lot of people don't really understand. They focus on layer height or XY resolution, but really it's the accuracy of the models. And let me just lean over here and grab this here. So these are the three main materials right now. We have a castable wax, we have a split material that we can make surgical guides with, but I'm really loving this print model material. The finish it looks polished, it's so nice. So can we open up the printer and you tell me a little bit about it?
So of course, we got a special cartridge system in it. So we wanted our easy and fast material interchange without having the customer or having any contact to the liquid material itself. And the main feature of the printer is its heart, the light engine. The light engine was also an own development by Ivoclar. And we're using, instead of 2 million pixels, 4 million pixels. And we got an own light engine with a lot more power than usual, so up to 60 milliwatt per square centimeter. That means the precision is just phenomenal.
Wow, 68 microns in the XY. Now, we have a complete system, so it is not only just printing, but we have a cleaning station and a curing station. So we can just take a little look over here. Tell us about this. It looks like it's got some sort of vibration or an ultrasound.
It's not an ultrasonic, it's a magnetic stirrer, because in this process we are using cleaning alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, and therefore we're using the magnetic stirrer because of regulations.
Cool. Now let's back up a little bit here and take a look at the cure box. And so if we open this up, and we've got a build plate here. Now, would you take this build plate from here to here to here, or separate the models sometime in between?
No, in our process, we are releasing the objects after the finish in the light curing device.
Okay.
So for the whole manufacturing process, the objects stay on the building platform.
So you don't have to touch the yucky resin. So as far as price goes, what do you think the price is going to be?
So the printer itself will be around 20,000 euro. And for the complete system, we're thinking about 25 to 30,000 euro.
So roughly between 30 and 33,000 US dollars. Thomas, thank you so much. This looks really awesome. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You got it.